Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about 我的家人 or my family in Chinese. 爸爸、妈妈、兄弟姐妹、我、哥哥、弟弟、姐姐、妹妹、我、丈夫、我、妻子、孩子、儿子、女儿。So, in Chinese, the way we call our family from our father's side is different from our mother's side. Now, let's start with family from our father's side or paternal family. 爸爸、爷爷、奶奶、伯伯、伯母、叔叔、婶婶、姑姑、姑父、堂哥、堂姐、堂弟、堂妹、表哥、表姐、表弟、表妹。Now let's learn about maternal family. 妈妈、外公、外婆、舅舅、舅妈、阿姨、姨父、表哥、表姐、表弟、表妹。And in China, we call a man who seems to have the same age as our father as 叔叔. So, 叔叔 not only can be used for actual family members, but it also can be used in general as uncle. How about if it is a woman who has the same age as our mother? We call her as 阿姨. So, 阿姨 in general means aunt or auntie. So, when you are in China, you will hear a lot of people, mostly children, call someone as 阿姨 and 叔叔, even though they are not blood-related family. So, that's all for my family or 我的家人 lesson, guys. And I hope I explained it well enough for you guys to understand. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!